This simple morning exercise can help you enter lower levels of the mind, calm your inner world, and set a clear focus tone for the day ahead. I will guide you into a meditative state as I count from 50 to 1. If you would like to experience a longer version with a countdown from 100 to 1, you'll find the video link in the description. Let's begin by finding a comfortable seated position. Now gently close your eyes and take a quiet moment to feel gratitude for being here now. To control the lower levels of the mind, it's important to feel completely relaxed, both physically and mentally. Now take a deep breath and gently bring your attention to the point of contact between your body and the ground. Imagine soft, glowing roots extending from the base of your spine, reaching deep into the earth. And as you settle, begin to set an intention for this meditation. You might silently say to yourself, I am ready to go deeper within. I allow my mind to quiet. I welcome clarity and inner control. Now take a deep breath and inhale through your nose for a count of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And exhale through your mouth for a count of 6 or more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Beautiful. We will do this 3 more times. To help you sink into a deeper state of relaxation, I will gently guide your attention to different parts of your body. Gently bring your awareness to your scalp and allow it to relax. Now shift your attention to your forehead and experience the sensation of relaxation. Relax your eyes. Now bring your awareness to your face, cheeks, and jaw. Relax the neck region and your shoulders. Now shift your attention to your arms and hands. Relax your back and spine. Now take a deep breath and relax your chest externally and internally. Now move down to the abdomen region and relax any tension in this area. Now bring your awareness to your thighs, your knees, calves, and your feet. And experience this beautiful sensation of relaxation flowing throughout your body. Beautiful. I am now going to count from 50 to 1. Keep breathing slowly and deeply throughout the exercise. And know that with every descending number, you're going deeper within. 50, 49, 48, 47, 46, 45, 44, 43, 42, 41, 40, 39, 38, 37, 36, 35, 34, 33, 32, 31, 30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now allow yourself to fully experience this calm and relaxation. Now gently withdraw your attention from your body and your surroundings. Disengage from the three-dimensional world and let your attention rest in the blackness that arises with closed eyes. Linger in this space for a while. If thoughts begin to pull you back into everyday reality, then just be aware of it. Relax, breathe, and then return your focus to the quiet space within. Now, whenever you're ready, bring your awareness back to your breath and to the space around you. I will count from 1 to 5, and when we reach 5, you can slowly open your eyes, feeling calm and refreshed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Carry this stillness with you into the day, knowing that within you lies infinite potential, clarity, and strength. Let this be a day of presence, purpose, and possibility. And thank you for meditating with me. Namaste.